This faceless YouTube channel is making between $1,600 to $25,000 per month from this faceless YouTube videos. And once you check out the estimate earnings, you can see they're making hundreds of dollars on daily basis. If you're wondering what is the name of this channel, the channel is actually called The Coats Official, right? And if you check out the videos, they are uploading, 2 weeks ago they had 3 videos, 3 weeks ago they had 1. So they're uploading 1 to 3 videos per week. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT and another AI tool to create videos like this with ease, man. Super easy to create it. And once you go to the actual videos and go to the popular videos, you can see they got videos with over 6 million views, 4.8 views, 5.6 millions of views from simple code videos. This is absolutely crazy. Now let's check out one of the videos like this one, 5.8 million views from 36 quotes from Mark Twain. Okay, let me just open up this video and see how this video actually looks. So this is the video. Let me just play it.
You're with stupid people. They will drag you down to their level and then beat you with experience.
So you can see they're showing the quotes next to Mark Twain, and then they're showing the next quote. Nothing really special. Now I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT and only AI tools to create even better videos than this one and start potentially making passive income from your faceless YouTube channel. So let's get started. This is the video that we are going to create using AI.
The secret of getting ahead is getting started. The man who does not read good books has no advantage over the man who cannot read them. Age is an issue of mind over matter. If you don't mind, it doesn't matter.
So the first step is to find the quotes. Now I'm going to use ChatGPT. So go to chat.openai.com, log in, and you should be here. Now I'm going to get the quotes. So we're going to copy these 36 quotes from Mark Twain that worth listening to. I'm just going to copy the whole thing. You don't need to copy and paste. You can search for other popular people. I'm sure there's so many people that you can use and use their quotes as well, right? So I'm just going to go back to ChatGPT, paste it here, and I'm going to say, give me 36 quotes from Mark Twain that are worth listening to. Now let me see what ChatGPT would come up with. Nice. So I actually got the quotes from Mark Twain. 36 quotes from Mark Twain that it took me literally a few seconds to find them. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and create a YouTube video, a faceless YouTube video for these quotes. But checking the video, you can see we have a picture of Mark Twain, and next to it, there is the quote. So for now, we need a picture of Mark Twain. And in order to get a picture, you can either use Google or you can use AI tools like Midjourney to create an image of Mark Twain. Or if you still want to use free tools, I'll probably recommend using Canva, because Canva has a new tool that can convert text into images as well. I'll leave a link in the description below to Canva. And once you're here, click on create a design. Since we're creating a picture for YouTube, I'm going to select YouTube thumbnail. Okay, once you're in this page, you need to click on apps. And from this app section, you see we have so many apps to choose from. And the one that we need is called text to image. If you can see it at the top of your search result, that's great, select it. If not, you can actually search for it, text to image, and it will pop up, okay? And this is the one that we're going to use. So select text to image. And now we need to choose a style for our image. So you can see we have so many styles to choose from. Let me just click on see all to see all the possible options. So I'm just gonna use minimalist for this one, and I'll also need a picture of Mark Twain. So I'm gonna search for Mark Twain. I choose the style and then click on create your image. And now it starts generating images for my text. And now you can see we have 4 images that are generated for us, and we can use one of them. I think I'm going to use number 3. It looks good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select it and drag it on the canvas. Okay, so looking good. Also need a background for it as well. So if you check out the video, you can see it has a dark background. So I'm going to use the same sort of background as well. So I'm going to select it and choose dark background. So yeah, that looks good. If your video, if your actual image, if you, for example, selecting this one, you can see this image has a different color of background. So if you would like to get rid of the background for your image, you can still use AI. So what you need to do, go to this website called remove.bg, and you can see we have this upload image. What you need to do is just download your image first and then upload it here, and it will automatically remove the background for you. So if you have any problem with the background, simply go to this website, remove the background, and then use it here. Okay, now you can see we have the image of Mark Twain, and what we need now is to actually add the quotes and the voiceover to our video. If you like this video so far, I really appreciate if you tap the like button so more people can actually watch this video. I'll start with adding the voiceover to my video. So the first step is to go to, if you want to use a free tool, you can search for text to speech. So search for text to speech, and there are so many tools that you can choose from. There are paid tools and free tools. I'm just going to use a free tool, and I actually came across this one. It's called TTS Maker. So this is the website. It's called ttsmaker.com. I think this is a good one because you can see that the character limitations are sometimes 10,000, 2,000 to 3,000, even 5,000. So considering it's a free tool, it's a good one. And the quality of the voices are okay. If you want to use a free tool, I recommend this one. But if you want to use paid and more natural tool, I'll probably recommend using Murph. I'll leave a link in the description below to Murph if you want to check it out. But now I'm going to create a voiceovers. So I'm just going to copy the quotes that I have got from ChatGPT and paste it over. Okay. And then I'm going to select a voiceover. So you can see if you select English, okay, by default it's English. You can see there's so many voices. You can check the quality of the voices by clicking example and see how it sounds. I have checked out this one. Peter sounds okay to me. So I'm going to select Peter and then convert it to speech. There are more settings here as well if you want to just go through them and change the speed of the voice or actually the volume and things like that. I'm just going to go with the default and convert it to MP3. So I'm going to type in the numbers here. Okay. And convert it to speech. And now, okay, let me just put them one more time. So convert to speech. And now it starts converting your text into a voiceover. Now let me just download the voice. Okay. I have downloaded. And now I'm just going to play the voice to see the quality of this voice for this text.
The secret of getting ahead is getting started. The man who does not read good books has no advantage over the man who cannot read them.
Now that we have created the voiceover and the image that we created using Canva, it's time to create the video. And in order to do this, go to Google and search for DID Studio. This is the tool that we are going to use to create the video. Okay, once you open up this page, you should be here. Okay, now we are going to create the video by uploading our image and the voiceover. And in order to do this, click on this create video. So you can see there are so many avatars that you can use for your video. You can choose any of these avatars that you like, but I'm going to use the one that I have created using Canva. I'm in this one. So I'm going to use this one for my video. So I'm just going to, I've already downloaded it. And then let's go back here and click on add. Let me choose the file and open it to upload new avatar for my video. So I have uploaded the avatar and now I need to upload the voiceover. I can actually generate the voiceover by typing the script here. So you can see I can actually type the script here and there are so many voices that I can choose from and use them. But I have already created the audio. So I'm going to click this audio button and now upload your own voice or the voiceover. Here's the file. So yeah, this is the one, TTS Maker. Open it and now it starts uploading the voiceover for my video. So the audio is now uploaded. So you can see I have the avatar and the voiceover. It's time to go ahead and generate the video. So in order to do this, click on generate video. Just generate, and it starts generating the video based on this avatar and the voiceover. Okay, the video is now ready. So let me just click on these three dots and download the video. Okay, the file is now downloaded. Let me just go ahead and play the video to see how it actually looks.
The secret of getting ahead is getting started. The man who does not read good books has no advantage over the man who cannot read them. Age is an issue of mind over matter. If you don't mind, it doesn't matter.
That looks pretty nice to me, to be honest. Really good. AI is so powerful. Okay, now there's one thing left, and that is subtitles. And in order to do this, we need to add the subtitles. Go to Google and search for Veed subtitle generator. Okay, and this website, Veed.io, will generate subtitle for our video. Let me just open up this website. Okay, so I'm going to use Veed.io to generate subtitle for my video. And that subtitle is the only thing left for my video. Okay, now in order to do this, click on generate subtitle. Okay, now I need to upload the file. So I'm going to drag and drop the file that I have just created using d.id. Okay, and now it starts uploading the video to Veed.io. Okay, now once you're here, click on subtitle, and there's a button that says auto subtitle. Click on auto. It is in English, and create subtitle, and it starts generating the subtitle for my video. Okay, let me show you how it looks. So let me just play it. It looks good. The thing is, I just need to adjust this text and put it probably to the side. So I'm just gonna put it here. And once you make the changes for one of them, it actually applies to the whole video. So it looks good to me. If you would like to add more styles to it, simply select the text and then go to styles and select whatever font you like or whatever color you would like to use for your text. But to me, this is looking good. I'm going to use this one, and let me just go ahead and download the video. So click on done and export video. Okay, you actually need to sign up in order to be able to download. Actually stop, and once you sign up, click on download and save it as MP4, and it starts downloading on my computer. Okay, so I have just downloaded the video. Let me just play it so you can see how our actual video looks.
The secret of getting ahead is getting started. The man who does not read good books has no advantage over the man who cannot read them. Age is an issue of mind over matter. If you don't mind, it doesn't matter.
That's the power of AI. This is absolutely great. And that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, this can be a great method to start making passive income with YouTube. Just go ahead and actually take action. There's so many free tools that you can use, and you don't actually need to spend that much money to start creating your professional channel using this method. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have not subscribed, subscribe and tap that little bell so you don't miss out the next video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.